Hey guys, today I just got this HP Z4, so it's enough good workstation. If we open this case, we will see that inside it have 8 slots for RAM. So it's using DDR4. Now it's very useful because prices for DDR5 are so huge. So I have a lot of RAM in stock, so it could be easily installed. We will now put here 128 GB of RAM. Also we'll add this VD 1 TB 7100 NVMe drive and also RTX 2000 Pro Blackwell. And then we will install Ubuntu and run models. Also I will config additional AMT port. So if you take a look, here there is additional port, it's marked as AMT. It's some kind of cheap ELO, so it works on Intel CPU which have Pro in their names. All Xeons could do this. So let's work with this. I know that it's now 2026, and it's a little bit old workstation, but like for what we are planning to use it, it's really great. So in nearest future, if needed, I could add additional 10 GB card, but I believe for models 1G is more than enough. So let's add NVMe. Yeah, seller put only one screw for it, but it's okay. We don't need a lot of space. We just need it to be enough quick. So 7100 is pretty good drive for gamers, to be honest. I am installing it just because I have it in stock from my personal project. So it doesn't have any RAM buffer. So all data writing directly on it and reading directly from it. It's good when you have PCI 4, but we have PCI 3 in this workstation. So yeah, here we have 32 GB of RAM. It's just regular RDIMM, so we needed to install it in slots from 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so here we have, as usual, in corporate hardware, some helpful description. So it's just black slots. I'm quietly curious when I'm playing with corporate hardware, especially with corporate PCs. Typically, all cables inside looks like very strange. Nobody puts them normally. So okay, let's connect it, turn it on and resume our video.